XYX Materials has been deeply rooted in the textile materials industry for over 20 years, building vertically integrated industrial solutions across multiple sectors. Knitting and dyeing. We operate a full range of Karl Mayer warp knitting machines from Germany and high-end weft knitting equipment from Taiwan. Our dyeing and finishing are managed through a central control system linking dyeing vessels, stentor frames, and related equipment. This integration across warp knitting, weft knitting, and dyeing forms a closed-loop system, ensuring high efficiency and quality control. Intelligence. Driven by data, we've developed 4 core modules to automate the entire manufacturing process. The Italian LAR system ensures precise dosing and enclosed raw material delivery. ABB robotic arms, powered by advanced programming algorithms, work in coordination with automated packaging machines for sorting and handling finished fabrics. AGV use laser navigation and an intelligent scheduling system to autonomously plan optimal routes for material transportation. The intelligent automated warehouse uses coordinate-positioned stacker cranes interfaced with a warehouse management system to automatically sort, retrieve, and rotate inventory of greige fabrics based on order requirements. This results in a highly intelligentized workflow from production to delivery. R&D. Our constant temperature and humidity testing lab meets international standards with equipment for strength, abrasion, and color fastness testing. The Hong-E auto dispensing system enables milligram-level dye dosing and automated recipe blending, backed by a formulation database, greatly reducing sampling time. Sustainability. Our plant integrates intelligent liquid pipeline system and the latest photovoltaic power generation system. Environmental protection is embedded throughout, from upstream to wastewater treatment. XYX Materials delivers sustainable textile solutions and aims to be a global lighthouse factory in the textile industry.